Chapter 19, Part 5, Translation. Plusieurs ont reçu 2 ou 3 cadeaux, mais d'autres n'ont reçu aucun. So here we've got plusieurs as a subject. That'd be several, or you could translate as several people. Received, ont reçu, from recevoir, passé composé, 2 or 3 gifts, mais d'autres, but others, or other people, n'ont reçu aucun. So here we have ont reçu against, that's a passé composé of recevoir. And then we've got the ne aucun, means not any. And then the en would be of them. So several received 2 or 3 gifts, but others didn't receive any, but others didn't receive any of them, or any gifts. All those translations would be good. Tous étaient fatigués, mais ils furent fiers d'avoir complété l'exercice. Tous étaient fatigués. All were tired, the imperfect of être. All the people were tired, mais ils furent fiers. And so furent is the passé simple of être, but they were proud. And then we've got a past infinitive, avoir complété. They are proud of having finished the exercise. All were tired, but they were proud of having completed the exercise. N'importe qui peut écrire comme cet auteur. N'importe qui, anybody, can write like this author. Apparently, you don't like that author if you think that anybody can write like him. Quiconque travaille sans faire des fautes est digne d'honneur. So whoever works without making faults or without making grammar faults is worthy of honor. Whoever writes or whoever can write without making mistakes is worthy of honor. Ces exercices ne sont pas des devoirs quelconques. These exercises are not just any homework. Des devoirs quelconques, homework, whatever. These exercises are not just any homework.